In the unpredictable landscape of personal finance, an emergency fund serves as a safety net, protecting individuals from financial crises. It's a cornerstone for achieving financial independence, offering a buffer against unexpected expenses that could derail savings and investment plans. Why is an emergency fund so important? Unexpected expenses. Life is full of surprises. Medical bills, car repairs, job loss, or natural disasters can strike without warning, leading to significant financial burdens. Avoiding debt. When faced with unexpected costs, people often turn to credit cards or loans, which can create a cycle of debt. An emergency fund helps avoid this by providing the means to pay for expenses without borrowing. Peace of mind. Knowing you have a financial cushion can really reduce stress and anxiety, allowing you to make more rational decisions about your finances. Investment opportunities. With a solid emergency fund in place, you can invest more aggressively, knowing that you have a safety net to fall back on. How much should you save for your emergency fund? A common recommendation is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in your emergency fund. This amount can vary depending on your individual circumstances, such as your job security, dependents, and lifestyle. Tips for building your emergency fund. Start small. Even if you can only save a little at a time, every dollar counts. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund account. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. Consider a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. By prioritizing the creation and maintenance of an emergency fund, you're taking a proactive step towards financial independence. It's a crucial investment in your future that can provide peace of mind and protect you from financial setbacks.